Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're going to set live wallpaper now. First, check your tab a model and Android version so you know compatibility. Make sure Wi-Fi is on and you have at least 20% battery. Interruptions break installs. Next, free a little storage. Live wallpapers need room. Decide whether to use the built-in wallpaper picker, install a trusted app from the Play Store, or sideload an APK as a last resort. Once done, open Settings or Play Store and proceed to pick the source. Now install and apply the live wallpaper. If using Play Store, choose a high-rated live wallpaper app and tap Install, then open and follow its Apply or Set Wallpaper button. If using built-in options, long press the home screen, choose Wallpapers, then Live Wallpapers. Preview animations and tap Set Wallpaper for home, lock, or both. Make sure to adjust performance or battery settings inside the app so animations don't drain power. Once applied, check the animation quality and responsiveness on your home screen. Finish by testing both home and lock screens. You should see the live wallpaper run smoothly. If it looks choppy, reboot the tablet and recheck app permissions. To optimize battery life, lower animation quality inside the wallpaper app or close background apps, and make sure adaptive battery isn't restricting performance unexpectedly. If you sideloaded an APK, confirm you enabled install unknown apps only for the installer, and remove any untrusted APKs. If problems persist, switch back to a static wallpaper and revisit compatibility notes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.